Yeah, trophy trading. So there is a loop where traders find themselves having to trade for trophies. What do I mean by trading for trophies? This is basically whereby the results of an unfinished trade are celebrated much more than the finished product of the trade, especially the screenshots. So let's say your trade has moved 20 pips on your side, and then you take a screenshot, you post the money, and then the trade reverses later, and then the money is gone, the trophy is gone. So one of the things you will have to realize as you trade longer is that it is an inherent human ability to want to show off or to want to trade for trophies. It's not only in trading, it is in every other field. If you've watched the movie called Dexter, you realize that that killer always was, whenever he has done his killing, he could actually get a piece of the victim and then use that as a trophy, collect them as a trophy in form of blood samples and stuff like that. So it is usually sometimes a human inherent ability that they want to keep trophies for future use. But the question with trading is that, are you going to choose between trying to keep trophies or trying to actually reap from the actual trading itself? That's why eventually you're going to have to learn that the screenshots that I'm going to be posting will only give me the accolades and the fame that I need, but it will not give me the money. So you have to learn to take partial profits, and then once you're done with the partial profits, then you can post. You can post after you've taken partial profit and break even. And if it doesn't play out the way you want it, you would have made money. Yeah, so it's okay. So that is it.